What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to our channel. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to Currently Building Generational Wealth Lifestyle. I am one of your hosts, the one and only. Is she giving today? Fly is on today. I am Danielle Bailey, and of course, God is the ultimate host. What's up, y'all? Happy Wednesday, everybody. Look, I am going to go ahead and jump right on into today's video. This video is actually inspired by Mimi's World. I think that's her name. She had asked a question on one of my last videos about like what insurance company would I recommend that you get credentialed with, right? And so I really couldn't give her a recommendation because I have issues with all of them, But what I did decide to do today, I decided to make a list of 5 ways to decide on what insurance companies you should accept in your private practice. I wish somebody would have told me this in the beginning, because when I first got credentialed, I used this biller. And so she had this package where she would credential me with 10 insurance companies for $500. And I was like, oh, okay, that's good, because one of my other colleagues, he actually got his stuff done. And I was like, okay, cool, good. However, she lived 4 hours away from me. And so the package included 10 insurance companies that is widely used in their area. Out of all of those 10, maybe 2 to 3 of them was insurance companies that was actually in my area. So in essence, it was a bad deal for me, but I didn't know no better. So I'm going to come on here and I'm going to tell y'all how to select what insurance panels to get credentialed with. So go ahead, before I jump in this video, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and make sure y'all drop me a comment in the comment section below to let me know if this helped. Okay, but go ahead and pause this video, get y'all pen, get y'all paper, because we finna go to work. Okay, I want to say that it's 5. I say 5, but it's like 5 to 6. I may have to make another video if this one goes too long. But like I said, I'm finna give you what you need. Okay, I wish somebody would have told me this in the beginning. So here's the step number 1. All right. Understand what insurance company is mostly used in your area, right? Y'all, I just said that the woman credentialed me with 10 insurance companies. However, my area only really used about 2 to 3. So in my area right now, widely accepted is Blue Cross Blue Shield, and not widely accepted, but this is what most people have for the state of Louisiana. Okay, in Alexandria, Louisiana, all state workers usually have Blue Cross Blue Shield, or either they usually have United Healthcare. I have not seen them stray away from those 2 plans, depending on what year it is, and because the state can switch insurance providers if they looking for whoever give the good deal. So Blue Cross Blue Shield and United Healthcare, right? So understand those 2. So if my clients are not on Blue Cross Blue Shield or United Healthcare, they're with the 5 Bayou mental health plan, that with the 5 Bayou health plans for Medicaid. We have 5 to 6 different Medicaid plans down here. It's a mess. Okay, when I say it's a mess, and it's a mess. So understand what insurance carrier does most of the people in your area have. Okay, and then after that, how much money do they pay? Okay, before you get credentialed with the insurance company, call and ask them, where is your fee schedule at? And a fee schedule is basically them telling you how much they're going to pay for services. So you need to make a decision before you go in asking, before you asking them for a contract. I'm just saying, because if their fee is not going to line up with what you need, don't get credentialed with them. And in the beginning, you can't negotiate. They just give you what they want. Now, after a year or 2, you may be able to go back and negotiate. But in the beginning, they're going to be like, Playboy, this is it. Okay? So understand how much they pay. And if it doesn't work with you, don't get credentialed. You don't need to be credentialed for nothing. And then step number 3, what is their billing process like? Like, are they going to be the billing process? Are they going to be able to connect to your EHR, your electronic health record system? Are they going to be able to connect? Or do they have a client? Do they have a portal where you can go and bill through their portal? Like, we need to know all of these things beforehand, because that is important. That is going to, when you start billing, that's going to be super important. Do they have their own insurance provider portal? If they don't, what portal do they use? Is the portal easy? Is user friendly? Like all of this, we need to know this in advance, okay? Blue Cross Blue Shield it does not connect. Blue Cross Blue Shield has their own individual portal. My EHR system, before I select, this is why I wish I would have had this video beforehand. Before I selected my EHR system, I did not know that they did not link up with Blue Cross. And so now I have to go to Blue Cross and I build through the portal that way. It's a struggle sometimes, but sometimes it's not, okay? And the majority of my clients are Blue Cross Blue Shield, okay? So we need to know that. What else? What billing process and what clearinghouse do they use? Clearinghouse is where you build your insurance, where you build your claims, okay? And then you need to understand how easy is it for you to verify if your clients have insurance with them. Like that's so important because you need to verify all your clients' insurance. Like, what are the steps that they take? Where can you go and verify and usually it's through a clearinghouse. Like for my Blue Cross Blue Shield, I just go to iLink Blue and I look up my client's insurance. For my Medicaid clients, I go to Gainwell and I verify their insurance through that way, and stuff like that. So like it can be a lot of steps, but ask them before you start, how can I verify my client's insurance? Okay, because you need to verify. Always verify. All right, whatever number this is, how long does it take to get your money? That's important, okay? That is super duper important. How long does it take to get your money? Another step, do they have electronic deposits or do they do checks? United Health still do checks. Like United Healthcare do checks, and they charge you for the electronic send over for your money. Like it's a freaking mess. Okay, like that's why I say when she asked me who do you recommend, hell, I got issues with all of them. Okay, like United Healthcare still do checks. Blue Cross Blue Shield, you don't have no choice but to get EFT. It's electronic transfer or something like that. Where they give you your money electronically. That's the best bet out of all of these. And then some of them also send out credit cards. Like either you can this is 3 ways of payment: electronically, a check, or either they mail you out a credit card and then you have to use the credit card to process. You got to use your credit card system to process the payment. So what that means, you get an extra freaking fee. No, send me the check, honey. Okay, if you're gonna send me something, send me my check so I can just deposit it in like that way. Okay, and then also when you're selecting these insurance companies, do they provide trainings? Do they provide CEUs and all of that? With sometimes Blue Cross provides CEUs. With the Medicaid plans down here, they provide free CEUs, and even some of the Medicaid is actually providing free EMDR if you accept their people. So like our Louisiana Medicaid, even though they pay low, they are actually providing free EMDR training because they want more of us to be evidence-based trained. Okay. All right, y'all. And so the last thing that I want you to figure out is if they offer multiple tier plans, right? And what I mean by that is right down here in Louisiana, Blue Cross Blue Shield offer 3 different plans. And once you get credentialed with one, all you have to do is submit a letter and then you'll be credentialed with all of them. So what they offer Blue Cross Blue Shield commercial. They also offer Blue Cross Blue Shield Medicare, and they also offer EAP benefits too as well. So if you want to start off with Blue Cross Blue Shield first, that way you can get more bang for your buck with the credentialing process, do that. Or either our United Healthcare down here offer 4 tier services. They offer commercial benefits, they offer Medicare benefits, they offer Medicaid benefits, and they also offer EAP benefits. So that's all you do is you get credentialed with one, and then you can submit a letter saying, hey, I want to become credentialed with Medicare. Hey, I want to accept your EAP, in which they would even call and ask you too at the same time. And then you be like, hey, I want to get, I want to get credentialed with your Medicaid side, if that's what you decide. And so with what I like about Blue Cross and Blue Shield and United Healthcare, You can just go straight to their portal. You can look up the information for your client for all three of them, actually. Like, even though they just use one system, it is so user friendly. So that's why I really mostly only accept Blue Cross Blue Shield and United Healthcare people, because I can just go straight to their system. Their system is easy to use, and boom, I mean boom boom bam. Okay. So like, those are some things that I really and truly want you to consider before you get credentialed with with not EAP, but insurance panels. Understand a little bit more about what their process is, because if I would have known that, I wouldn't have gotten credentialed with so many people. I only would have been credentialed with certain people. Like I said, right now I only have four really insurances that I take: Blue Cross Blue Shield, United Healthcare. I accept which one? In Louisiana Healthcare Connection, that's a Medicaid plan, in Healthy Blue. Like, I'm only doing four, because once you begin to accept all those different insurances and stuff like that, it can become a headache, and it can become a big process. You got to verify all the insurances. You got to understand the co-pays. Like, in the beginning, it was just a mess for me. It was just too much. And so when I just really started cutting back, probably in 2022, where I'm like, and then in 2023, where I honed in and say, I'm only accepting four insurances. I'm not accepting any more other than that, because it's just me. Now, if I expand and I grow bigger, yes, maybe. But truthfully, some of the other insurance companies have burned me so bad. Humana is one of them. Okay, I'm gonna put Humana on the spot. Humana has burned me so bad, I won't accept none of their people. Like, I'm not. They have burned me so bad or whatever. But nonetheless, I'm rambling. This is all things that you should consider before getting credentialed. I would say start with insurance panels, because it can be a lot of work, but start with insurance panels that offer multiple plans, like like Blue Cross. They offer commercial, they offer Medicare, they offer Medicaid, and they offer EAP services. That's four things in one, and you can get it. Okay, so nonetheless, thank y'all so much. Again, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if this helped you out, put it in the comment section, whatever you think or whatever. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.